Running a service business is hard enough without the scheduling headaches. Every missed appointment costs you money. Every double booking costs you customers. And all that time spent managing your calendar? That's time you could spend growing your business. Introducing Lapsula, the scheduling solution built specifically for service professionals like you. Whether you're a therapist, coach, barber, or run a busy salon, create the perfect booking experience with custom forms and flexible approval options. Enable or disable rescheduling with custom notice periods. It's your business, your rules. Keep everyone in the loop with automated reminders via WhatsApp, email, and SMS. Boost show-up rates with online payments. Collect deposits or full payments up front. Say goodbye to no-shows and hello to reliable income. Give your staff the power of mobility. Everyone gets their own secure account to manage their schedule from anywhere. Sync with Google Calendar and connect to thousands of apps through Zapier. Join hundreds of therapists, salons, and service professionals who've transformed their booking process with Lapsula. AppSumo partners with us for a limited time only with this special offer. You can get access to the main features of our business plan for a one-time payment. Don't miss this opportunity. Your business is cleared for takeoff. Join Lapsula today, and let's grow together.